So my name is Marciniak. I'm the artist in residence here at Ars Electronica. So my project deals with the issue of misinformation and over-information, actually. I have chosen 3 case studies to investigate the so-called aesthetics of fact, but in a slightly subversive way. I chose to study cases of hoaxes and fakes. The first chapter of the work is focusing on the artistic response to the synthetic image of Balenciaga Pope. The work is a reconstruction of the image, which is quite an interesting practice and a new practice for me. As a forensic investigator and spatial researcher, I tend to work with real cases of real photographic images. And I wanted to see what happens if I apply the same seriousness and similar practices to the case of a fake. And what I found in the process of reconstructing the image of Balenciaga Pope, including reconstructing the actual coat that the Balenciaga Pope is wearing, became a way of contemplating and sort of researching deeper what is the origin of the glitch, but also what is the origin of certain imagery that we take to symbolize some sort of authority of truth. What I've done is hired someone to play the role of the Balenciaga Pope and someone who can activate an essay that talks about our relationship to faith, truth, fact, of course, and kind of really contemplate whether there is a visual truth beyond the photographic realism. I wanted to point also to the absurdity of how this topic often tends to be communicated, especially by establishment media. The main goal of the project is to educate, to change the narratives, and to propose different ways of looking at this problem. I've been really lucky to have been given several great experts by Ars Electronica. They're great interlocutors for discussing these ideas and quite complex rabbit holes that I end up going into while I research. They have been extremely helpful in pointing me in the right direction in terms of references and really understand the topic on a level that I think is quite rare. And at the same time, all the experts that I work with have very varied backgrounds. So there's always something new that I learn and that can actually inform my work. And they've been really honest about their feedback as well. So there is a real productive effect from conversations with them.